What's up, y'all? It's Anthony and the brother Rick with the Eden Mandate LLC.
Peace.
Restoring lives one home at a time.
Yeah.
We just finished dinner at Mission Barbecue and Full Belly. And we decided to take a spin down a different street. And we found yet another gem today. So we are here just kind of walking around this property. Looks like it has been vacant for quite some time. You can see old toys out here. You can see where a groundhog or some animal's been digging up under the deck. All the branches, trees overgrown. You see the traps out here. They're trying to catch something out here. Don't know what, but they're attempting to catch something. And man, this has been a really crazy, busy last couple of months, and it seems like we're just getting stuff falling into our laps, which is not a problem. We'll figure out how to get it done. So let's take a peek inside and see what's happening with this property. Looks like they were trying to pack up the move, and then something apparently happened. Oh, that carpet is bad. But we've walked around back here and got a nice little playpen, nice shed. This is like one of the bigger yards in this neighborhood. I mean, this yard just keeps going and going and going. Hey, Bill. Hey, Crystal. We got Mr. Bill Curlin watching, man.
Hey, Bill.
This is one of your long-standing employees here.
Captain Curveline?
Yeah, this is Captain Curveline right here. Indeed. All right, but this is overgrown pretty good. Oh my goodness. Man, something is really, really digging.
There is definitely a hole.
Groundhog, Alvin and the chipmunks or something's going on down here.
That's a huge chipmunk.
Yeah.
That chipmunk's saying
Yeah.
win.
But that shed back there is cool. Got a nice little swing for the kiddos. I mean, you could put a nice sized pool in this backyard. Oh man. So let's come around and see what else we got going on. So I'm going to come back over here on another day and talk to the neighbors and see if we can figure out who the owners are, what's going on, what their situation is. But we know that just by looking at it, something was happening to the point where they had started packing. It looks like they just cut and run for some reason. This is kind of the fun part about these properties, is trying to just, huh?
I said I'm just covering up addresses here.
Oh, yeah, good call. Good call, yeah. Yeah. Oh, somebody saw your shirt, man. Hold on, let's look at it again. Catch up with Jesus, Psalm 34. Blessed from my head to my toes. Get it? Tomatoes to my toes?
To my toes.
To my toes. Yeah, Jamie, you're right. Location, 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 baby. Well, here's some toys on the back of the house. On the side of the house, I should say. Yeah. Vines growing in. This is evidence that this door has not been opened in quite some time. And, man, God's good. This stuff just keeps dropping right in our laps. This is phenomenal. Midna has found us some good ones. Bill found us a good one today. Some good ones, I should say. I mean, you look at the overgrowth in the sidewalks. This is coming right through concrete, through the cracks in the concrete, and piling up. So, literally, we came up here, we drove by, we put one of our door hangers on the door. Good man, Slick. Put one of our door hangers on, but you know, you can obviously see through here that, you know, some packing had started or persisted and then abruptly ended for one reason or another. So, I mean, look at all this stuff down here. Extension cords. You know, you got trash and debris behind these overgrown bushes. Yeah. I mean, so like, this just looks like this place hasn't been occupied in quite some time. So, if you look through, where were we looking through? Right here, yeah. If you look through, man, that is some kind of color carpet right there. But clearly started packing, was going to move, oh crap, something's happened, we're out of here, don't know what the scenario is, I'm going to check with the HOA and see if they're behind on the HOA dues. I'm going to look it up also and see if they're behind on taxes, if they're tax delinquent or anything of that sort. I'm going to talk with the neighbors because the neighbors know. You guys saw the video earlier with Bill and I walking by. The neighbors know everything about everything in regards to homes and if someone's selling or whatever the case is. So we'll check all that out. And between all those aspects and then just skip tracing and trying to find, we'll be able to figure out what the story is with this property. So I don't think there's anything on here that's incriminating right now, so I can pan out and look at it. So you can see like really nice oversized garage. See if I can zoom in up there and see what's happening. We got boxes in the windows. But so this is a really nice sized house, and look at how the trees and the bushes in the front just completely take over. I mean, I don't even know, what do you call these things? This particular.
Yuck.
Yeah. So we were literally
some kind of a cedar tree, but I'm not for sure.
Like literally, we would just come through and just might even yank those suckers up. Just yank them and pull them. Yeah. Let's walk around to the side of the house. I mean, look at the size of this, man. Like, I'm 6'8". This is like 2 of me tall, at least. You can see they have been cutting the grass and just leaving clumps out here. So somebody's doing it. I don't know if they're paying for it, but neighbors doing it out of kindness, or if the township got on these folks and said cut it. But this is some kind of, okay, what's this pipe here? They trying to run water away from the house?
I don't know what it is. It's coming out of the house.
So it's coming out of the house. Oh man, look at the side of the house. What is happening here, man? You don't see this in this kind of neighborhood.
See the tree stump right there?
Yeah. That can't be a root there. That couldn't be a tree that close to the house. Think so? Yeah. Hey, Lenise. What up, my man Danny? Stacy, I got some business for you, man.
Yes,
I told you I had business, man. You take care of me, I'll take care of you, bro. That's how it works. That's how it works. I can see off the gate this HVAC gonna be replaced.
If it doesn't need replaced, it's definitely need charge.
Yeah. We'll have to holler at JT for that. Oh man. Think we got another winner. Chicken dinner, baby. Woo, man, what a couple of months this has been. Huh? Huh? Yeah. Touche. All right, y'all. Well, I just wanted to show y'all that if there's anybody out there looking to get into real estate, it's not that difficult to do. All you have to do is just know some people, tell them what you do, and they will come find you with properties. And if you just happen to be driving around, keep track of your neighborhood, keep track of, like, take a different street home. Yeah. Where you pass, take a different route home every now and then. Look for houses that look like they have obvious evidence of abandonment or vacancy or neglect. Look up the owner of that property, see if they want to sell it. And if you're saying, hey, look, that's fine, but I don't have the money to buy a house like that, that's fine. You can wholesale that property. So you can talk to that owner, get that property under contract, after you calculate the repair costs, and then go sell that property to someone like me or another cash buyer that is always looking to purchase and fix and flip homes, right? So that costs you no money. It costs you absolutely no money to drive around other than gas. But even if you're going to where you're going, it's not costing you money. Find a house, get it under contract, get inside, look at it, do an estimate on how much repair costs may be, market it on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, whatever, word of mouth, figure out, do a search on YouTube or Google for cash buyers in whatever city you're in. Tell them, hey, I got a property, you want to come see it, arrange with the owners for that buyer to come see the property, sign that contract over to that buyer, and collect yourself a nice finder's fee in the middle, or assignment fee they call it. It's really that simple. It really is that simple. And trust me, a year and a half ago, I would not have been talking like that, 'cause I thought it was the most difficult undertaking. And here I am now, and we're buying and fixing and flipping properties. Now, wouldn't be able to do that without this guy, because literally I can barely pick up a hammer, right? But this dude, that's our expertise. Everybody got their strength. My strength is finding the deal, structuring the deal, looking it up, getting it signed and sealed, delivered, bringing it over to him. And then we figure out how to turn a turd into a gym. That's what we do. So anyways, signing out. It's a quick video. It's Anthony, Brother Rick.
Have a good one. God bless you.
Catch up with Jesus, restoring lives one home at a time,
Home at a time.
increasing property values, helping neighbors out, removing eyesores,
One
and
home at a time.
one home at a time.
One home at a time.
Later.